Hey everyone, I am David. If you have ever wanted to make money with Amazon KDP by publishing your own books but felt overwhelmed by all the work it takes to research, write, design, and format everything into a finished product, then you are going to love what I am about to share with you today. But first, before I tell you what it is, make sure you click the link in the description box below. There you will find my full written review article with the OTO and discount offer. You will also find my special bonuses that cover different aspects of digital marketing, and these bonuses are designed to help you boost your results with this product. What if your next ebook idea did not have to sit in a notebook for months, waiting for the perfect time, energy, or writing schedule to finally begin? What if one simple keyword could become a real book project with structure, content, cover, metadata, and downloadable files ready to review and use? Have you ever wanted to publish on KDP, build a digital product, or create a lead magnet, but got stuck before the finish line or even outlining it? Right now, ebooks are still one of the simplest digital assets you can create, publish, sell, bundle, or use to build authority online fast. KDP creators, digital publishers, marketers, coaches, freelancers, and local businesses all need useful content that can educate, attract leads, build trust, and sell consistently. A good ebook can become a KDP product, a lead magnet, a client resource, a bonus, a training guide, or a complete digital offer. But creating one properly is where everything slows down. You need research, structure, writing, design, formatting, metadata, and a clean final package fast. Most AI tools only help with one small piece. They might write text, but they do not guide the full ebook creation workflow end to end. So you end up jumping between prompts, documents, stock photo sites, cover tools, formatters, spreadsheets, and publishing checklists again and again, wasting valuable momentum. That is why so many ebook ideas never become finished assets. The manual work kills the momentum before the project is complete and usable. But what if there was a simpler way to go from keyword to complete ebook project inside one guided dashboard without stitching everything together manually? What if you could choose the niche, pick the style, enter a keyword, refine the brief, and let AI build the foundation for you today? What if the same workflow could help with your outline, manuscript, cover, metadata, keyword ideas, categories, and downloadable publishing package from one place? Introducing AI Book Engine, a professional AI-powered book creation workflow built for KDP, digital publishing, online marketing, client education, and more serious content goals. AI Book Engine helps turn one simple keyword into a complete ebook project you can review, edit, polish, brand, and prepare for publishing with less friction. It is not just another AI writer. It is a structured workflow designed to help you finish the asset, not just start another draft. First, choose the ebook format and niche. This helps the system understand what kind of book you want to create from the very beginning. Next, select a book style. The style controls the visual feel, including the cover page, chapter headers, colors, and overall layout direction before publishing. Then enter your keyword and tone preference. AI Book Engine can refine your idea into a stronger creative brief before generation begins with clearer positioning. The refined brief includes audience direction, book angle, tone of voice, and structure, so the project starts with more clarity before writing and more confidence. Once you generate, AI Book Engine moves through research, outline creation, manuscript writing, cover design, metadata creation, PDF formatting, and final export preparation. After the ebook is ready, you can review the outline, open each chapter, edit the manuscript, or regenerate sections with AI assistance whenever needed. You can also search free stock photos, then insert relevant images directly into your chapter content for extra visual support inside the editor. The cover tool lets you generate new cover options, including premium-style covers, so your ebook looks more polished, professional, and ready to present or sell. The Metadata tab helps prepare your title, subtitle, description, keyword ideas, and categories for KDP-style publishing and promotional preparation with stronger inputs before you publish. The biggest advantage is the complete workflow. AI Book Engine does not leave you with scattered pieces across different tools, unfinished folders, or disconnected tabs. It helps organize the process from idea to package so you can focus on reviewing, improving, branding, publishing, and using the finished asset with less guesswork. Use it for KDP books, lead magnets, client education guides, authority reports, bonuses, digital products, training materials, or online marketing content across niches and campaigns. For this special launch, you can get access to AI Book Engine and start creating keyword-driven ebook projects without the usual production grind from day one. Click the button below, get access today, and see how quickly one keyword can become your next complete ebook asset, while this offer is available during launch. Now, here is what AI Book Engine is all about. AI Book Engine is an all-in-one ebook creation software that turns any keyword you give it into a fully researched, written, designed, and formatted ebook project, complete with publishing metadata. This software goes through researching the right niche, finding profitable keyword angles, planning the book, drafting each chapter, creating the cover, formatting the pages, editing the text, adding images, generating the metadata, and downloading everything ready to publish. The best part is that it all happens in one dashboard, resulting in one finished ebook workflow that you can upload to Amazon KDP and start earning from right away. The front-end offer for AI Book Engine gives you everything you need to kickstart your KDP publishing journey right away. With this core package, you get the complete keyword to KDP ebook workflow that lets you begin with just one keyword and watch as the system handles niche research, keyword angles, title creation, outline planning, chapter writing, cover creation, formatting, and metadata generation all in one smooth process. You also get 2 book style options, so you can choose the perfect style before production starts. This ensures the final ebook aligns with your topic, audience, and publishing goals. On top of that, the front end includes complete manuscript creation, which generates the title, outline, chapter structure, and full content for every chapter, giving you a fast path from idea to finished draft. To help you start creating the offer immediately, it comes with 50,000 credits included. You also get cover and interior formatting, so your project looks polished and organized, plus a built-in editor that lets you review, edit, and refine the content before downloading. With Pexels integration, you can easily add high-quality stock images to make your ebook more visual and engaging. This front-end package truly gives you everything you need to go from a simple keyword to a complete publish-ready ebook without any extra tools or complicated steps. It is the perfect way to begin building your KDP business today. OTO1, the audiobook edition. You get the ability to turn existing ebook content into an audiobook without recording anything yourself. You can also create audiobooks from keywords by choosing a niche and letting AI prepare the content. There is an AI audiobook content writer that generates the written version first, so you can review and edit it before narrating. You also get cover and metadata generation, including title, description, keywords, and categories, plus 11 Labs integration for higher quality voice output. This upgrade lets you repurpose your ebook ideas into audio products for bonuses, lead magnets, content marketing, or new offers. OTO2, the Pro Edition. This upgrade gives you more power, more credits, and more flexibility, so you can create more ebooks and audiobooks, produce longer books, access more styles, and speed up everything with auto mode. Inside OTO2, you get a 3x credit boost that adds 100,000 extra credits, so you have plenty of room to create. You unlock pro features that go beyond the front end, including 5 more book styles to match any audience or tone. You can create longer ebooks with more depth and use auto mode to set up a project once and let the system produce books with fewer manual steps. This lets you create up to 50 books in auto mode and set up to 100 pages per book. You also get tone preference control and automatic book finalization, so the whole process becomes faster and more efficient. OTO 3, the Traffic Edition. This upgrade helps you promote your books with AI-generated visual content and social posts. You get Instagram tools that create carousel posts from a book or keyword, generate ready-to-post slides, and repurpose book lessons into visuals. The Pinterest tools let you create infographics and evergreen content from your book ideas. There is also a batch social post generator that produces complete posts with hooks, body copy, hashtags, and call to action for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, and LinkedIn. You can create content from your finished books or from topics and keywords, then download and post it anywhere to drive more traffic to your publishing business. OTO 4, the Done For You Edition. This upgrade gives you a faster start by loading your account with 200 ready-made books across multiple niches, so you can skip the blank page stage and begin with ready-made assets. You can open them, review the content, customize the details, and prepare them for your publishing plan. There is a regenerate option to create fresh versions with new angles or tones. This helps beginners get started faster and lets you grow your book portfolio quickly with flexible uses for KDP, lead magnets, bonuses, or client projects. OTO 5, the Agency License. This upgrade turns AI Book Engine into an AI-powered publishing agency, so you can create and sell client accounts, offer done-for-you publishing packages, and keep 100% of the revenue. With OTO 5, you get everything you need to launch your own AI publishing agency. You can create and sell client accounts and resell access to the ebook and audiobook tools if you own those upgrades. You keep 100% of the agency revenue while the platform handles the software support. The upgrade includes an agency kit with sales pages, scripts, emails, and templates, plus an agency management dashboard to handle clients and services in one place. This opens up multiple recurring revenue streams from monthly plans, renewals, and publishing service packages while reducing your production costs with AI. There is the OTO 5 bump offer, the white label license. This lets you rebrand the entire platform as your own, so you can change the software name, logo, and branding colors, and sell everything under your own business identity. With the white label license, you get a custom software name, logo replacement, and branding color control. This gives you stronger agency positioning when you present the platform as your own publishing solution to clients. Next, I am going to show you exactly how these features come together by walking you through a full demo inside the AI Book Engine dashboard.
Welcome to AI Book Engine. AI Book Engine is an AI-powered ebook creation platform that helps you turn one simple keyword into a complete KDP-ready ebook project, including the creative brief, outline, manuscript, cover, metadata, and downloadable publishing package. In this walkthrough, I am going to build a brand new ebook project from scratch inside AI Book Engine. I will start with only a simple keyword, then move through the full creation flow, choosing the ebook format, picking the niche, selecting a design style, writing the brief, refining it with AI, generating the book, and then reviewing everything after it is created. After that, I will also show the library, the outline, the manuscript editor, stock image insertion, premium cover generation, KDP metadata, author name settings, and the final download package. The goal is to show the full buyer experience, not just one screen. This is the main dashboard. At the top, users can see their available credits and their account area. On the left side, the main front-end sections are Dashboard, Create, My Library, and Settings. Those are the areas I want to focus on in this demo. The dashboard also gives a quick snapshot of how many ebooks have been created and where to start a new project. If a user has already created books before, they can come back here and continue working from the Recent Books area. But for this demo, I am going to create a fresh ebook, so you can see the whole process from the beginning. To create a new project, I click Create. The first decision is the format. AI Book Engine can support more than one format, but for this front-end walkthrough, I am choosing ebook. This option is designed to create a KDP-ready ebook package with the core pieces a publisher needs to review: the manuscript, the cover, the listing metadata, and the downloadable package. I am not going to use the upgrade modules in this demo, because the point here is to show the normal ebook creation flow a front-end customer can understand right away. Next, I choose the kind of ebook I want to create. This matters because the genre helps guide the research, the tone, the cover direction, and the kind of reader the book should speak to. For this example, I am going to choose mindfulness. It is a good KDP-style nonfiction niche because the audience is clear, the problem is easy to understand, and the content can be practical. Now, I choose the visual style for the ebook. This is a nice part of the workflow because the user is not only generating text, they are also choosing how the final PDF should feel visually. The style controls things like the cover page, chapter headers, fonts, colors, and overall layout. For a mindfulness ebook, I am going to choose clean minimal because it feels calm and modern. Before I commit, I can preview the style and see how the cover, table of contents, chapter pages, content pages, and recap pages might look. Once the style feels right, I click Use this style and continue. This step is where I give the system the actual book idea. I can choose the AI model, enter the topic or keyword, set the book length, choose the cover level, and add a tone preference. For this demo, I will enter mindfulness for busy professionals. That is specific enough to give the book a clear reader, but broad enough for the AI to build a useful structure around it. I will keep the recommended model, keep the book length short for the demo, and add a tonepreference.com/practical, beginner-friendly, and motivating. I also keep the author name option turned on so the cover can include the account author name. Before generating the full ebook, I can use the AI brief. This is helpful because many users start with a simple idea, but they may not know how to turn that idea into a strong book direction. Here, AI Book Engine expands the keyword into a more complete creative brief. It identifies the target audience, explains the book angle, suggests the tone of voice, and gives a structural direction for the chapters. I do not have to accept it blindly. I can review the brief, edit it if I want, and make sure the project is going in the right direction before spending credits on the full generation. Once the brief looks good, I click Generate my ebook. Now the app starts building the project step by step. It researches the market direction, generates the outline, writes the manuscript, designs the cover, creates the KDP-style metadata, formats the PDF, and then marks the project as done. During the writing stage, I can see the manuscript preview streaming into the page, which makes the process feel transparent. After generation finishes, I click View ebook. This brings me to the finished book page. Here, I can immediately see the cover, the ready-to-publish status, the generated title, the subtitle, the original keyword, the number of chapters, and the word count. There is also a Download KDP Package button to export the finished package after reviewing it. At this point, the project is not just a loose draft. It has a manuscript, cover, outline, metadata, and a structured place to manage everything. Next, I will show my library. Every ebook created is saved here, so you can come back later instead of losing the project after generation. The library shows the total number of books, which ones are ready to publish, and whether any runs failed. The book card includes the cover, the title, the keyword, the status, and a link to view the details. This is useful for anyone building more than one ebook, because they can manage a small catalog of projects instead of working from random downloads or scattered files. Back inside the book detail page, I can open the Outline tab. This gives me a clean view of the chapter structure. I can see each chapter title, what the chapter is supposed to cover, and the target word count. This is useful because a KDP ebook should not feel random. The outline helps the user check the logic of the book before they spend time editing the manuscript. If the structure looks good, they can move on. If something feels off, they know exactly which chapter needs attention. The manuscript tab is where you review the actual book content. The chapters are separated into individual cards, each with its own word count. When I open a chapter, I can read the generated content directly. I also have two important options: regenerate the chapter with AI, or edit the chapter manually. For the demo, I would not regenerate unless I want to change the content, but it is worth showing that the option exists. It means you're not stuck with the first version of a chapter. When I click Edit Chapter, The content opens inside a simple editor. The editor supports Markdown, so users can polish the text with headings, bold, italic bullets, and other simple formatting. This is important because the app is not forcing the user to accept the AI output exactly as it is. They can adjust the wording, add examples, fix details, or personalize the chapter before downloading the final package. The editor also includes an add image tool. I can search for free stock photos directly inside the workflow, using sources like Pexels and Unsplash. For example, I can search Mindfulness Workspace and get a grid of relevant images, each with the source and photographer attribution. When I insert an image, the app places it into the chapter as a markdown image and stores it through the app's image system. This is a strong feature to show because it helps users make the ebook feel more complete without leaving the platform to hunt for visuals manually. Now, I will go to the Cover tab. The user can review the current cover and generate new cover options if they want a different look. There are different quality levels, including Basic, Standard, and Premium. For a stronger demo, Premium is the best one to show because it creates a more polished cover style. I can choose Premium, keep the number of options at 1, and generate a new cover. Once the option appears, I can click Use this to apply it to the book. This gives the user a cleaner, more professional visual asset for the final package. The Metadata tab is one of the most important post-creation screens. Here, AI Book Engine prepares the listing information that you often leave until the last minute. I can see the title, subtitle, book description, keyword ideas, and primary and secondary categories. This does not guarantee KDP rankings or sales, of course, but it gives the user a much better starting point than a blank listing page. For creators who struggle with descriptions and keywords, this part can save a lot of time during publishing preparation. Before wrapping up, I also want to show settings. In the Account section, you can edit your name, which is used as the book author name. New books use the updated name right away, and existing books can update on the next download. This is a small detail, but it matters because author branding appears on the cover and inside the book package. For the demo, I am only showing where this setting lives, not changing the account. To finish the workflow, I go back to the book detail page and point to Download KDP Package. That is the final handoff. The user can review the outline, edit the manuscript, improve the cover, check the metadata, manage the project in the library, and then export the package when they are ready. So, the full workflow is simple. Start with a keyword, choose the niche and style, refine the brief, generate the ebook, polish the project, and download the KDP-ready assets. That is the core promise of AI Book Engine, one guided dashboard for turning an idea into a finished ebook project.
AI Book Engine comes with a full set of features that make it possible to finish a complete ebook project ready for publishing and selling. These features cover every important step, so you do not have to jump between different tools or get stuck along the way. The book type selector lets you choose the kind of ebook you want to create before the project even begins. By selecting the ebook type first, this feature shapes the workflow around your goal, audience, and content direction from the very beginning. The KDP keyword research feature turns your starting keyword into useful keyword angles that guide the book content and publishing metadata. This gives your project a stronger foundation because the topic connects better with what readers may already be searching for. The KDP niche research feature helps clarify the market, reader profile, and core promise of your ebook before the writing process begins. That makes the book feel more targeted, more useful, and more relevant to the audience you want to reach. With the style selector, you can choose the book style that matches your project. It helps the final output fit the tone, layout, and purpose of the ebook, so the content feels more packaged and professional. The title generator creates title ideas that match your keyword and readers benefit. Instead of spending too much time brainstorming, you get title options that feel connected to the topic, niche, and promise of the book. The outline and chapter builder helps create the book structure with a clear outline and chapter flow before the manuscript gets drafted. That gives the ebook a stronger direction, making the content easier to follow and easier to expand into a complete product. The chapter manuscript writer drafts the chapters for you after the direction has been selected. This step helps you move from idea to manuscript faster, without staring at a blank page or trying to write every section manually. The Cover and Image Studio helps you create the ebook cover and add stock images without leaving the workflow. In turn, the ebook looks more complete, visual, and ready for presentation. Once the ebook content is ready, the editor, formatter, and exporter tools let you review, polish, format, generate metadata, and download the final files. The result is a more publish-ready asset that you can use for KDP, lead magnets, bonuses, or client projects. These features work together to handle the part most people struggle with, which is actually finishing the asset and getting it ready to sell. Thanks for watching my full review of AI Book Engine. In this video, I walked you through exactly what this tool is, the powerful features that help you finish a complete ebook project from one keyword all the way to a publish-ready asset, the front-end offer that gives you everything you need to kickstart your KDP journey, and all the one-time offers that can expand your results even more with audiobooks, pro features, traffic tools, done-for-you books, and agency options. AI Book Engine really does make the entire process simple and complete. You get the full workflow, including research, writing, design, formatting, and metadata, so you can go from idea to finished ebook without getting stuck or needing extra tools. Whether you are just starting out or looking to scale your publishing business, this software delivers real value and saves you hours of work on every project. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
Make sure you check the link in the description box right now for all the latest information on the products, the best current coupons and discounts, and the special bonuses that are included. You will also find clear instructions on how to claim those bonuses so you can get the maximum value when you decide to grab AI Book Engine today. If you are ready to start creating and publishing ebooks with less stress and better results, head over to that link and get started. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.